Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0105 Manifold absolute pressure or barometric pressure sensor circuit malfunction code. What I have here is a map sensor, and basically it is going to be a pressure sensor. So there's going to be 3 pins on the map sensor. You're going to have the ground wire, the signal wire, and a 5-volt reference wire. To locate the map sensor, most likely it is going to be located directly on the intake manifold, or it could be located directly on top of the throttle body, or you can find a map sensor located on the firewall. Now, if the map sensor is located on the firewall, there's going to be a hose connecting the map sensor going straight to the intake manifold. Before you do anything, always check the condition of the connector and wire going to the map sensor. Now you want to disconnect the connector and look directly at the connector. Make sure the connector is not corroded, and also make sure the pins are not corroded as well. And also you want to check the wire on the connector. Make sure the wires are not broken and make sure there is no open. If there is an open wire and the 2 wires touch together, it can cause a short, and again it can cause a circuit malfunction issue. Now the next thing you should check is the map sensor pins, and make sure the pins are not corroded as well. Next, you want to test the circuit. So take a multimeter and set it to voltage. So again, you're going to have the ground wire, you're going to have the signal wire, and you're going to have the 5-volt reference wire. So the 5-volt reference wire should always be at 5 volts or close to 5 volts, and ground wire should always be close to 0 volt. And the signal wire, it is going to fluctuate. For example, when you test the map sensor circuit for the signal wire at idle, it should be between 0.5 to 1.5 volts. Next, you want to test the map sensor at wide open throttle. So basically, wide open throttle is when you're stepping on the gas pedal and the throttle plate is opened up all the way. So when you're checking the voltage at wide open throttle, the voltage should be between 4 volt to 4.5 volt. And of course, this voltage reading is going to be at sea level. At different altitude, the voltage is going to change. And of course, always compare your reading to manufacturer spec. Before replacing the map sensor, always check the map sensor condition. Always make sure that the hose that's going straight to the map sensor, make sure it is not broken, make sure it is not kinked, make sure that hose is not cracked, and make sure it is not disconnected. Also, make sure that the inside of the map sensor, make sure it is not clogged. For example, oil mist coming from the intake manifold can cause the map sensor to start to clog on the inside, and dirt can also cause it to clog as well. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.